Hello everyone. Just pre-ordered my iPhone 12 Pro Max the other day and also chose this SPECK case during checkout because it was like one of 3 options you could choose from, and I do like SPECK cases. So also got the black iPhone this time, or granite or whatever it was called. So I'm pretty stoked about getting back to black or whatever. And also I really liked the way that this case opened up, so that is what prompted me to do this little unboxing video. I usually don't do these, but I couldn't get over this. That's awesome. Why doesn't every product in the world do this? I just love that. So anyway, pulling out the case here. First impressions are positive. I really like this. It's got some give to it, but it's not too squishy, and it's not too firm. It's got a nice, thickness to it. I feel like this will really protect the phone quite well, honestly. And again, I've always liked SPECK cases. I've always been a fan of their craftsmanship. Never had any issues with their cases, and I've never had a phone break while being protected by a SPECK case. Although I've never had a phone break, an iPhone break, period, except for one time when I got hit by a car in San Francisco and had my iPhone 3GS in my pocket. That one broke. It didn't matter what was on there. That thing was gonna break after that impact. But I digress. So this thing is, yeah, I'm loving this. This is great. I can't wait to put the actual phone in it and carry it around. Feels good in the hands, not too tacky. It's not too slippery. It's a little slippery, I think. If you're like me and you drive around with your phone, on your thigh, it'll probably slide right off there, honestly, which is a bummer, but that's cool. Hopefully it'll get maybe a little bit tackier over time, but even if it doesn't, I'm not gonna be upset. So anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it for the SPECK case. I'm glad I chose this one. I don't think the other options were very good either, so, or at least, aesthetically pleasing, or, they were just other, cell phone cases. This was the way to go, in my opinion. Another thing I wanted to point out too was it's got this clear guarantee, where they guarantee that this will not yellow or get dirty over time or whatever. Yeah, right. I'll believe it when I see it. SPECK. I don't think I've ever had a case that didn't get super, yellow and just dingy looking after a couple months of use. From like kids, and I work on my cars a lot, so usually getting like oil and stuff on them, and usually they just look like a mess after a while. So yeah, that's that. That is a SPECK case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Hope you guys find this little review helpful. Man, I can't wait to get the phone. This is gonna be cool. Till next time, peace.